Hello, I am Dr. Sathish Devadoss. I am talking about total knee replacement for osteoarthritis of the knee. Many people with severe disabling knee pain where they can't do their routine life work will benefit a lot from total knee replacement. Total knee replacement is not a surgery which you need to be afraid of. You can have a surgery and walk home probably in 3 or 4 days. You can walk right from day 1 after surgery with proper analgesics. And nowadays the surgery is done in a very precise and very accurate manner with the help of computer navigation or even robotic surgeries where you can get the best result out of total knee replacement. If done at the right setup and with the right doctor, you can get an excellent result with total knee replacement and you can get back to your normal lifestyle without pain and without any disability.